Do you ever get the urge to laugh at your friend's expense? Do you like to take advantage of your less tech-savvy family members? If you're a born trickster with nerdy interests, you can use these websites to fool your friends and prank someone into believing all sorts of crazy things. We think these are the best prank websites to get a laugh out of those closest to you. Just don't complain to us when you aren't invited to parties anymore. First, there's Hacker Typo. We've all seen hackers in movies go at their keyboards while streams of gibberish code run down the screen as they race against the clock. It's all very dramatic, but nothing like the somewhat tedious hacking process in the real world. That doesn't mean your friends know that. The only hacking they've ever seen probably comes from TV and film. So why not fool them into believing you're a lead hacker with this awesome website? It's a hacking simulator where you can just bash random keys like a movie hacker and code appears on the screen that looks like the real deal. Even a few access denied pop-ups show off some of that hacker edge. There's also Geek Typo. Geek Typo is pretty much the same thing as Hacker Type, but a little more sophisticated. It takes longer to set up, but offers several different themes and even simulated desktops with fake windows. Hacker Type is excellent when you want to set up a prank in seconds, but Geek Typo is a little more fun if you have the time to ready it before your victim arrives. Let's say you're going to a lecture, you can set up Geek Typo with the look you want and then open your laptop in class and start hacking in front of all the people sitting behind you. WhatsApp Fake Chat. This website lets you create fake WhatsApp chats to fool your friends in many different ways. The site is truly comprehensive, letting you adjust every aspect of the screen capture to match the exact details of the person whose account you're trying to replicate. Now, this can be a very dangerous tool in the wrong hands, so make sure you use it responsibly and don't actually cause harm. If you don't want to use a website but prefer an app, What's Fake for Android is an alternative. You can also try Prank as an iPhone equivalent if you have an iPhone. Prank Me Not Fake Facebook Status Generator. Just like the fake WhatsApp message generator mentioned above, this tool lets you construct a Facebook post that looks like a real one. So you can fake someone saying something that never actually happened. This is another prank you can do real damage with, so use it responsibly. Peter Answers. This amazing classic prank has a simple trick behind it, but it's still capable of freaking out anyone who doesn't know how the trick works. Peter is a mind reader and fortune teller, but you, as the prankster, feed him all the information he needs to give scarily accurate answers. You need to be the one in control of the keyboard for the prank to work. If your friend tries to use it, they'll get cryptic answers about not having enough desire or willpower or something. To get an answer from Peter, you must petition him with the phrase, "Peter, please answer the following question." This is where you feed the answer he'll give. First, ask your target what question they want to ask. Then click on the petition field and put a period as the first character. This will activate the prank. Now type in the answer you want Peter to give and then fill in the rest of the field with periods until the whole petition is filled out. No matter what you type after putting in a period, it will simply write the petition. The tricky part is completing the field with periods without your mark noticing you're tapping the same key, so you'll have to be a good actor. Then type in the question, ask for the answer, press enter, and try not to laugh as your target's jaw drops open. For 8 more hilarious prank site suggestions, check out the article linked in the description below. See you next time.